Good morning, students. Welcome back to the e-learning classes. This is your science period. How are you all? Good? So, students, today we will continue with the exercises of lesson 12, that is water. Alright? So, the exercise that we are going to do today is exercise D, answer the following questions. Alright? So in this exercise, firstly you will write the questions, then you will write the answers of these questions. Alright. Students, today we will do one more exercise, that is tick the correct statement and cross the wrong ones. Which means you will put a tick mark in front of the correct statement and you will put a cross sign in front of the incorrect statement. Alright. So you all have to write both the exercises in your science fair copy. Please do very neat and clean work. Alright. If you are having space, you can continue from there only. Otherwise, you can switch to the new page. Alright. So now let's start our today's work. So students, let's start our today's work. Today we are going to continue with the exercises of lesson 12, water. Alright, so all of you take out your science copies quickly and be ready. So first of all, write down today's date. Today is 4th, 2nd, 2021. Alright, then on the next line, write down classwork and underline the classwork. Then on the next line, you will write lesson number and lesson name. This is lesson 12, LESSON lesson 12, water. Alright. You will write the lesson name and lesson number and underline it. On the next line, you will write the exercise name. So today we are going to do exercise D. Answer the following questions. So we will do question answers first. Alright. So now let's start. Your first question is, name any 3 sources of water. There are various sources of water. We have already discussed in our chapter, like rainwater, ocean, river, sea, ponds. All these are the sources of water. So you all have to write any 3 sources. Alright. So your answer is number 1, river. Number 2, rain. Rain is also a source of water. Number 3, well. Well is also a source of underground water. Alright. So your answer is river, rain and well. These are the 3 sources of water. Alright. Now let's move to the second one. Second question. Write down any 3 uses of water. We have already discussed that water is very precious and we use it for various purposes. So you all have to write any 3 uses of water. So your first use is drinking. We use water for drinking. No one can live without drinking water. Alright. Second use, we use water for bathing. Alright. Third one, cooking. We use water for cooking purposes. Okay. So these are the 3 uses of water. There are various other uses also. So these are the 3 uses. Alright, so this is your answer number 2. Let's move to the third one. Write down any one way in which you can save water. There are various ways from which we can save water. So, as we have discussed that water is precious, we should not waste it. So, you all have to write any one way from which you can save water. Alright, so your answer will be, we must close the tap after use. Alright, so when we open the tap for water, we should close it after using it. We should not leave it as it is. Then what will happen? The water will be wasted. There are many people when they brush, while they are brushing, they keep the tap open. But this is not the way. We should close the tap after using it. When we need water again, we should open it again. But we should not leave the water as it is and keep on wasting. Alright, so we should close the tap. We should not leave it as it is. So these are the 3 questions that we are going to do in exercise D. Answer the following questions. Alright, so you all have to write this in your science fair copy. Alright, so students, today we will do one more exercise. This is exercise tick the correct statements and cross the wrong ones, which means you all have to put a tick mark in front of the correct statement and you will put a cross sign in front of the incorrect statement. Alright, so if you are having space, continue from there only, otherwise start from the new page. Okay, you will write the exercise name and underline it. Now let's start. Your first one is, we should drink dirty water. So should we drink dirty water? No, if we will drink dirty water, we will fall sick. So we should not drink dirty water. We should always drink clean and pure water. So this is an incorrect statement, wrong statement. So we will put a cross sign here. Okay. Second one, dams are built across ponds to hold water. Dams are built across the ponds. No, ponds are not very big, they are small in size, but the dams are built across the rivers, not the ponds. So this is a wrong statement because we built dams across the river to hold the water. As river is very big, we need dams, big dams to hold the water, but not for the ponds. Alright, so this is the incorrect statement. Dams are built across the rivers to hold the water, not the ponds. So this is wrong one. So we will put a cross sign here. Next one, number 3. We get water from rain. Yes, we get water from rain. Rain is one of the main source of water. Alright, so this is a correct statement. So we will put a tick mark here. Alright, so these are the 3, tick the correct statement and cross the wrong ones that we will do in this exercise. You all have to write both the exercises in your science fair copy. Please do very neat and clean work. Alright, so now it's your homework time. It's your homework time, so write down your today's homework. Your today's homework is homework. Unscramble these words. Here some of the unscrambled words is given. So unscrambled words are given. So you all have to write this in your science fair copy. Alright. So your homework is to unscramble these words in your science copies. Alright. So let's see. Students, write only in capital letters. Don't write capital and small letter. Don't mix it. Write only and only in capital letters. Alright. Unscrambled words are always written in capital letters. Okay. So you will write this. This is wind. Number 2. RMSTOM. This is storm. Number 3. REBEEZ. This is breeze. Number 4. IREVE. This is river. Number 5, CANOE. This is ocean. Then last one, DNPO. This is pond. So you all have to write this in your science fair copy. Alright. Please do very neat and clean work. This is your homework. Complete your homework and then you will show it to me. Alright. You will send it in your class group and get it checked by me. Alright. So I hope it is clear to you all. If you are having any confusion, you can ask me. Alright. So students, now it's your homework time. Your today's homework is you will do unscramble these words in your science fair copy. Alright. You all have to write this in your copies. Please do very neat and clean work. Okay. So that's all in this video. If you are having any confusion, you can ask me and clear your doubts. I am here to explain you. Alright. So thank you so much. See you in the next video.